Gorgeous updated 4-bedroom 2-full bath home with an unbelievable 184 inches frontage on high-demand all-sports Lake Shannon. Open floor plan, fire-lit great room, 2 gorgeously upgraded granite, tile plus glass bathrooms, double sinks, huge window walls overlooking private lake views everywhere, gorgeous wood floors, newer neutral paint, gorgeous granite and stainless steel kitchen west/white cabinets, updated windows, slider door walls, siding, roof, flooring, appliances and more. Fabulous finished basement west/family room and custom bar room west/wood boat bar, bar stools included. Newly wired whole house generator hookup. Huge private, gorgeous deck plus walkout patio too. Located on the end of a private cul-de-sac, and the Fab Lake Shannon community with over 30 club activities incl slalom, trick ski, rig ski, Progr dinners, lobster roast, family picnics etc. plus live. CT's low tax base combined with the largest private all-sports lake in the county, make this the only place to live. Move-in condition.